Hello students, welcome to another beautiful day of class. Today, in our spelling class, first we're going to close our eyes. We're going to imagine that we're traveling to the space out of the planet Earth. Can you see the stars? Yes, amazing, right? Okay, yes. I'm also amazed to get outside from here. So we're going to work with the spelling list number 19 today. And the words are related to the topic, this space. So here I have it. Today is Monday, August 10, 2020. And we're going to work with the spelling list number 19. So, let's go to learn some awesome words. Awesome words from the book, page 36. So, in your book, you can find in page 36 the list of words that we're going to learn during this week. The first word is the word non-stop. This one is our word. Non-stop. And the last week we were talking about some suffixes. So this week we are going to learn about prefixes. Remember, suffixes are the words from the root N, and the prefixes are words before the root of the word. Before. And the prefixes are before and the suffixes are before. So, here in this word, the word non-stop, the prefix is the word non, which means not, because it's telling us something opposite to what we want to say. For example, the word stop, just the word stop, means stop. Alto. But when we add the prefix non, that means not, non-stop. So, the meaning of the word is sin parar, directo. Instead of have stop, we have non-stop. En lugar de tener alto, parada, we have non-stop, sin parar, directamente. Then we have another words. Then we have here, stories and biographies are non-fiction. Again, we have the same prefix. Underline the prefix in the sentence. Copy the sentence and copy the word in your notebook and underline the prefix. Here we have the prefix non again. Stories and biographies are non-fiction. What does that mean? Fiction is something that it isn't real, but non-fiction are real things. Non-fiction, sin ficción, o sea que es real. Then, my little sisters like nonsense rhyme. Nonsense, sin sentido, disparate. Nonsense. The next one. Disagree. We have here another prefix. This. John and I disagree about favorite sport teams. Disagree. No estar de acuerdo. Disappear. Here again we have the same prefix. Disappear. Now, we are going to continue with the next one. Impossible. Impossible. The Bible says, for with God nothing shall be impossible. That is in Luke 1:37. Impossible. The next word is the word improper, improper. Nutrition can result in bad health. Improper nutrition can result in bad health. Improper, inadecuado, inapropiado. Then we have illegal, illegal. Stealing is illegal. Ilegal, ilícito. Something illogical, illogical. Does not make sense. Illogical, ilógico o incoherente. Then we have research, research. Jimmy had to research for a history report. Research, investigation, investigación o búsqueda. Now it is homework time. So as a homework, you are going to repeat 5 times from word number 1 to word number 10. That was everything for today's spelling class. I hope you enjoyed to travel with me to this space, out of this planet. And please keep safe at home and be with your family. I'm sending you kisses and hugs and blessings for the Lord. Thank you and see you until next class.